Hello. In this video, we're going to cover how can we customize the financial report. So let's cover the business use case. Let's start with the setting. So we go to setting application, and then we're going to activate the developer mode. Okay, it's loading. All right, scroll to the bottom, and here you can activate the developer mode. Once it's activated, our next step is create a chart of accounts. So let's go to accounting app, configuration, chart of accounts, and we're gonna click on new. In this case, it's 411, 412 labor revenue accounts. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this. So 411, the code, and of course you can name based on your naming convention. Okay. But this is just an example and the income type of accounts. All right, so we're good. Next steps, go to accounting application, configuration, and accounting reports. So go to accounting app, configuration, accounting reports. What we are going to find is the report profit and loss. Not the one with brackets. So if you can just type pro, and you will see this one. We're gonna go to lines here. So you will see there's net profit, income, expense, and indention with gross profit. So I'm gonna duplicate that. So for you to see the current structure, so the net profit is on the top, income and gross profit is indented, operating income is indented, but then it grew by the account. So if you open up the operating income, you will see that it grew by account ID. That's when it's, instead of showing the whole details, when you click on it, it will break down the individual accounts. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is to add a line at the bottom, and we're gonna add the labor revenue on top of income. Again, you can be flexible and customize the way you want it. So I add a line and then I call it labor revenue. Okay, and then you do need to have a code. So say, okay, and then we can group by account ID, account underscore ID. Okay. Then balance prefix of account code. So add a line here. It's called balance lowercase. Then here it's a prefix of account code. And the syntax is -411 and -412. So you have to do negative with the account code space -412. And that's it. Okay, perfect. Save and close. And we'll just grab it onto the top. So you could do it like this. Okay. Save. So this is a little bit different. I just wanted to show you how different it is. But right now, if you go to report, there's nothing because you have no data. So let's start with the workflow. We're going to create an entry for this. 750 and 500. So let's go to journal entry here. I'm going to just focusing on the day today. Oh, sorry. I'm going to customer invoice. It's also a journal entry. So I'm going to select the customers, a product, just say test. Okay, so this is 411. This is 412. Okay. So once you have these invoice line, you can see the journal item that the counterpart is account receivable. So 750, 500. And then you confirmed it. going to use today's date. If you go to reporting and profit and loss, you will see that a breakdown of this. Okay. If you want to double check on the reports, you will see the one here. Okay. Thank you.